The conventional mattress pad does not allow for breathability. It does not prevent against suffocation. It does not prevent against any kind of bacteria buildup. So therefore, we designed a waterproof and breathable crib mattress pad. It was very obvious to us that if parents were going to add this layer of waterproof protection to their mattress, that we should give them the comfort and peace of mind for safe sleep and add that breathability component to the mattress pad.
The AAP has developed guidelines for parents, including always putting them to sleep on their backs. The reason for this is to help reduce the risk of suffocation. But after 3 months or so, babies start rolling over onto their bellies, and some even prefer to sleep this way. What's a parent to do? They can't stay up all night watching a monitor. When our first son was born and he was having difficulty sleeping, he would finally get to sleep, and then we'd look in the monitor and see that he was sleeping face down, and we'd stare at the monitor wondering whether we should go in, turn him over and risk waking him up, or take the chance of allowing him to sleep in that position. Every mom is going to add a waterproof pad to their crib. Why not add a layer of air to protect the baby? What we realize is that parents need better sleep too. And the beauty of our products, the safety, the ability for babies to breathe through the mattress, means that parents can have peace of mind.
We conducted a balloon test showing that the amount of air that would dissipate or go through our crib mattress pad as opposed to the amount of air that dissipates with a conventional mattress pad. Through this test, you can see that the amount of air very quickly dissipates on the Newton Baby crib mattress pad, whereas on a conventional crib mattress, the air does not dissipate. Parents tell us all the time how much they love their Newton. They're finding that they're sleeping more comfortably. They have the peace of mind knowing that should their little ones roll over in the night, that they can breathe safely, that they're sleeping soundly, longer. They're finding that their babies aren't tossing and turning as much because of the wonderful temperature regulation with the breathability of the mattress pad.
Meet Buku Babies. We're a family business based out of beautiful Huntington Beach, California. 3 siblings who grew up and just happened to all have our first kids around the same time. Together, we came up with a really cool idea for a baby shoe. And since our dad is an industrial designer, he was excited to get involved too. Our goal, from the beginning, was to create a baby shoe that's great looking, easy to put on, and perfect for both boys and girls. A shoe that's simple, yet significant. Our Buku Baby Shoe is just that. We spoke to tons of experienced moms and dads, and babies of course, as we continually improved our shoe. First of all, most baby and toddler shoes are difficult to put on and make it tough to determine proper fitting. With Buku Baby shoes, you don't have to guess how the shoe fits. You actually see how the shoe fits. That's because we designed the whole top of the shoe to unzip and fold to the side, opening up the inside. Parents simply place the child's foot in the shoe and can clearly see right away if it's the right size. Our Ergo entry design is what sets Buku Babies apart. It makes putting on your kid's shoes so much less complicated than other shoes. Plus, our uniquely designed rubber zipper pull was made for adult-sized fingertips to zip and unzip the shoes with ease. The final aspect of our design is just that, the design. Buku Baby shoes have a clean, simple, classic look that suits any style. We've tested them out with hundreds of families already, and the only negative feedback has been, why can't I get these now? With your help, Buku Babies will launch with 3 different material options. Leather exterior with cozy faux fur interior, suede exterior with cozy faux fur interior, leather exterior with leather interior.
Buggies and strollers are very important travel systems for supporting parents and, most crucially, the comfort and safety of their child.
With increasing numbers of high-rise buildings to cope with and stair access for public transport and most destinations, parents face increasing obstacles blocking their needs from getting from point A to point B. For parents, there are also other struggles we face. It's tough, a real pain to deal with. Now we have a solution, introducing the Evobe Stride. The Evobe Stride is the world's only all-track driven infant buggy created to solve these problems
and truly be an all-terrain and obstacle travel system, which can quickly easily and safely pace over any difficult common obstacle or terrain in its way. And it can also travel up and down stairs.
Well, bonding with your baby is very essential for who you become later in life. It's really the foundation of becoming a healthy, well-balanced adult. And it really starts within the first hour right after birth. Hugsy Pouch is a swaddling blanket that supports kangaroo care, so those skin-to-skin cuddling moments. It keeps you and your baby warm and takes on your familiar and specific scent. And it also records your heartbeat with the Hugsy Heartbeat module. And when you're gone, your baby's still soothingly surrounded by your scent and your heartbeat. So it's a very familiar and nice way to fall asleep with. The Hugsy Cuddle is a cuddle toy in the shape of a bear, and it's really a companion for a slightly older child. So when a baby's sort of outgrowing a swaddling blanket, it's a follow-up product.
When a baby's laid on their parent's chest, a mother's chest is really responding to the baby's temperature, to their heart rate, to their breathing, and it all starts to co-regulate. So it's really both coming together into this super relaxed state, which is very important for babies.
With only one button plus 3 settings, it's incredibly easy to use. Click the power button 1 time for warm stir. Click 2 times for cold stir. Click 3 times to sterilize. To make a bottle, you'll use warm stir. Add the appropriate amount of formula plus water to your Magistir. Then click the power button once to activate the warm stir setting. It only takes 90 seconds to heat the formula to the perfect feeding temperature. 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and stir it to a smooth consistency without clumps or gas-causing air bubbles. Magistir is a patented magnet stirrer. When it detects the perfect temperature, it shuts itself off. The sterilize setting is another powerful feature. Click the button 3 times to have your Magistir clean itself with a whirlpool of boiling water. You can also toss in pacifiers and bottle treats for a quick, germ-destroying wash. Finally, Magistir makes your life as a parent easier. It gives your baby a more settled tummy. You already know overheated formula can burn your baby's delicate mouth. But formula that's too cold can cause constipation. Plus, shaking to mix creates air bubbles that cause gas, pain, and discomfort in your baby's sensitive tummy. Magistir prevents these painful moments by warming to the perfect temperature and stirring to mix. That means no scalding, no constipation, no clumps, no air bubbles.
Life is full of priceless moments. Moments that don't often happen twice. Moments you want to save forever. As a parent, it's hard to both capture the moment and be fully present in the moment as it's happening. Well, meet Bloom, the first camera system that acts as your own personal and private video crew, capturing, editing, and preserving your most cherished moments. Cutting-edge facial, object, and pattern recognition combined with automatic video editing into one affordable package so you could be in the moment rather than behind the camera. Designed by parents, Bloom captures every first, every best, every only, and auto-edits these special moments into beautiful video memories you can enjoy over and over again. Imagine having an intelligent home video network in one easy-to-use app. Bloom's Smart Assistant automatically detects lighting quality and camera angle and directs your camera setup so you capture the best point of view. Then, she combines your recording preferences with smart algorithms to determine when, how, and what to capture. Every moment is uploaded and indexed, then effortlessly compiled into production-quality videos delivered right to your phone or inbox. Bloom leverages the world's leading experience in smart technology and video innovation in a way that solves the needs of today's digital parent. And Bloom makes it affordable so anyone can use it to capture and preserve their most cherished memories. Bloom's Smart Assistant is intelligent in 4 extraordinary ways. 1. She auto-records, compiles, and produces videos of personal moments across time you'll cherish forever, or can help you create your own video compilations. Just have her search for specific people, objects, or activities and gain instant access to every frame of every moment to stitch together your own video memories. 2. With a keen eye for what's most important to you, she alerts you when new video memories are ready, your cameras are out of alignment, and when exciting or concerning activity is happening in other rooms of your house. 3. She intelligently evolves learning from you to self-correct and optimize your distinct preferences, making it possible for you to stop worrying about who will capture and preserve moments like Christmas morning, blowing out the candles, and baby daddy playtime. Bloom does it for you without any photography or video editing skills needed. 4. She does this all using state-of-the-art bank-level data encryption, storage firewall protection, and user account security protocols, so your memories are secure, private, and only yours forever.
Hi, my name is Tasha, and I'm so excited to share the Freezy TV with you. It's the first ever hands-free frozen teether bin that works instantly to relieve teething discomfort. Plus, it works wonders for calming fussy babies, too. After becoming a mom, I encountered day-to-day needs, and fortunately, because of all the awesome baby products on the market, was able to find solutions quickly, except when it came to teething. Don't get me wrong, there are amazing teethers out there that really do work, Chewlery and Toothies to name our 2 favorites, but our son didn't like chewing on teethers for some reason. Plus, we needed something more. Our son started teething way early, but didn't get his first tooth until 11 months old. I was determined to help our baby boy through this. In our home, we believe our kitchen is the best pharmacy, so we continued searching for a safe and natural teething solution. One day, our son was teething very badly, so I froze a washcloth and gave it to him. It worked. This remedy is no secret, but a couple things happened. First, around our son's mouth got all red and irritated, probably from the toxins in the material of the washcloth. And next, his little hands were frozen within seconds. So the only thing that did work, we had to take away. Then I had an idea during a midnight feeding. What if I created a trendy bandana bib that had an organic terry cloth attachment so parents could wet, freeze, and then snap onto the bottom of the bib? Then babies could just flip it up and have a hands-free frozen teether or hold the sides where it's not cold. I was so excited to tell my mom the next day, and I remember on that very phone call, I thought of the name Freezy TV. With the help of my friends over at the Woombi Baby Swaddle, I was connected to a manufacturer, and after a few prototypes, the Freezy TV was born.